My boyfriend's a little baby when it comes to spicy foods.
No, I'm not.
So we got the spiciest seafood sauce from Boiling Crab and he's gonna try it. It's a good dip.
You don't gotta dip it that much.
1, 2, 3. A bite of a potato each. 1, 2, 3, go.
How do you do this? So your insides are just made out of lava, huh?
Do you want to dip your crawfish?
Do you want to dip your crawfish? You say it's so normal.
We're dipping crawfish and shrimp. Too spicy?
Fuck! Why did I touch my eye? Fuck! Why do you do this like all the time?
It's yummy.
It's not normal, babe. I think you have a problem. People who enjoy this need like help. This isn't fun. You having fun? Nah, this made me scared of you, kind of.